Checking the markets, we started out with the Nasdaq in negative territory. It's barely in positive territory. It's up 8 points right now, but it is in the green, although if I keep talking, it may go into the red. Dow Jones is up 77 and S&P up 14. Kenny Polcari joins me now. Kenny, everyone is watching Iran and earnings, but is there anything else investors should be watching right now?
Listen, I think you have to keep your eyes on the Fed. You have to keep your eyes on not only what the Fed is doing in terms of rates, but now what Kevin Warsh is doing in terms of kind of overhauling the Fed, because I think that's going to make a real statement on where policy and where the bank ends up taking us. I actually support it. I think it's a great idea. I think it's great that they should be looking at. Now, take all that and look beyond earnings and look into them and see what's happening. Yesterday, Pepsi reported they missed. They blamed it on the consumer. Oh my God, the consumer's weakening, blah, blah, blah. Today, Delta comes out and crushes it and said the consumer's just fine spending money on experiences versus maybe the product that Pepsi is. And I think that's going to kind of be a story that we hear all earnings season. So people shouldn't be surprised to see that shift, because I don't think the consumer is as weak as Pepsi wanted to suggest, right? I think people are being much more specific with where and how they're spending their money. They want experience over other things. But one or the other, I think it's an earnings season that's going to see tech people continue to rotate out of tech and into more defensive postures like healthcare, financials, basic materials. And we've already seen that over the last month. And I think that's going to continue through the summer.
While there is rotation out of tech, there is still some very exciting stuff going on. Of course, SpaceX and this today, South Korea's chipmaker SK Hynix, that's going to go public today. Is that going to be a test, really, of whether or not the chip rally can kind of come back?
Well, listen, SK Hynix is the global leader in that HBM space, right? I mean, the same space that MU's in. And it's all come under some pressure recently, only because it's all priced to perfection. I mean, look what happened to Samsung after they completely crushed it. They sold the stock off. MU, they completely crushed it. They sold the stock off. The SK Hynix thing is very exciting. It was 7 times oversubscribed. Everybody wants it. But I wouldn't be surprised if we see the excitement today and then we see it kind of back off. I don't think it's a comment about the memory chip sector or AI in general. I just think that people are becoming a little bit more aware of valuations and pricing, and they're not necessarily just going to go haphazard and just buy it because it's the latest hot idea. I think it remains. I think we're still very much in early stages, but I think it's going to take a little bit of a breather, and I think that's okay.
Yeah, and can we put Microsoft up on, because it was trading up. I think it still is. The thing is, that's a company, and I say this not just because this is Stewart's show and he loves Microsoft, but because there's a case to be made that has a history of turning new technology into new products that people can use that a lot of these startups don't have. Won't people go for tech, but for the ones that have history there?
100%. And Microsoft, look, Microsoft is down from, where was it? Up in the 500s earlier this year. It's trading down, traded down at 368. It's trading at about 385. It's at a huge discount. I think Microsoft is a screaming buy. And yes, to your point, they always seem to be able to come up with a new idea or a new way to do things. It's Microsoft. It should be part of your portfolio. It's part of mine for sure. And down here, I'd take complete advantage. And I think people are starting to see that, right? Because it's gotten to a place where it's so oversold that it's almost becoming a value play.
All right. Stewart, this is for you. That was for you, that last part. Kenny Polcari, good to see you, my friend. Have a great weekend.
You
Appreciate
as well.
you coming here.